Okay, so if you have your superannuation here, there, and everywhere, and you've got, you don't even know how many accounts you've got or where it is, the first step is to actually find your super. So what this video will do will show you how you can actually search for where your superannuation is, and we'll do another video on rolling all that over, whether you'd like to roll that over into your own SMSF or just another retail fund. But the first step is to find your super. So this video is going to walk you through how you can, number one, create a myGov account and then link the ATO to your myGov account and then search for your super. And then everywhere where any of your previous employers have used your tax file number to pay into a super fund, that will be able to be found in that account. So let's get started by first just having a look at the ATO video on how to actually set up your myGov account and link that to the ATO. So let's watch this.
Go to my.gov.au and select Create an Account. Read the terms of use, then select I agree to continue. Enter an email address only you will use and select Next. You won't be able to use this address for any other myGov account, for example, your partner's. myGov will email you a confirmation code. Enter the code and select Next. At this stage, you can add a security code to your account, but you can skip this step if you want to. You'll now be asked to create a password. And select Next. Choose and answer 3 secret questions. These are questions only you would know the answers to. Choose questions you will remember easily and whose answers are unlikely to change over time. And that's it. You have a myGov account. Your myGov username will be emailed to you. Keep it somewhere safe for future reference. But you will also have the choice to use your email address or mobile phone number to log in. Once you have a myGov account, you can link to the ATO's online services. If you've just created a myGov account, you'll now be logged in and ready to create the link to the ATO. Now, navigate to the Services page. On the list of member services, find Australian Taxation Office and select to start the linking process. You will need to agree to myGov storing your legal name and date of birth. You will now need to provide additional information to identify your ATO record. You need to confirm your identity by answering a series of questions specific to you. This will include providing your tax file number, given name, surname, and date of birth. Enter information carefully and accurately so that it will match your details held by the ATO. If your details have changed since you last dealt with the ATO, you will need to update them before you can complete the link. Visit ato.gov.au and search for Updating Your Details. Read and agree to the terms and conditions and select Next. You will also need to answer 2 questions specific to you from information contained in a Notice of Assessment received in the last 5 years, a PAYG payment summary received in the last 2 years, a super account statement from the last 5 years, a dividend statement from the last 2 years, a Centrelink payment summary from the last 2 years, or your bank account details. If you choose to use your bank account to confirm your identity, it must be an account you had your individual income tax refund paid into last year, or one that has earned interest in the last 2 years. Be sure to have this information at hand. If you are a first-time lodger, you will need to call our call centre to get a unique linking code to help you complete this process. If you receive an error message at any time, take note of the error code and follow the link provided in the error message for more information. Once you've finished answering these questions, you're done. You have successfully linked your myGov account to your ATO record. And that's it. You can now manage your tax and super affairs online in ATO Online.
Okay, so now you've actually set up your myGov account and connected the ATO. All you need to do is log in again with your details and then go in to the ATO once you've so click ATO, Australian Tax Office, And now you can actually see your account, and what you want to do is click on the superannuation stuff here and fund details. And there you'll actually have a list of all of your superannuation accounts. So I've just rolled mine over to my own super funds. That's why there are no others there. But you can just scroll down and you'll be able to see all your other lost super, and then you can contact them to be able to organise your rollovers or whatever it is that you like to do. So that's all for this video. Any questions, just let us know in the comment section below, or you can email us at info@newbrightoncapital.com and we'll be happy to help. Cheers.